Hello everyone, welcome to Unday Radar Talks. SoFi Technologies stock price rose 1.3% on Tuesday. On Monday, bulls pushed the stock price above $7.50, which means that the stock completely digested the short positions between $7.18 and $7.54, indicating that the bullish momentum is strong. When the stock price stood above $7.50, its trading volume did not increase significantly, which reflects that the bullish capital that pushed the stock price up has not yet exited the market, and the stock price did not encounter much resistance above $7.50, so the stock price may rise further. Data shows that the daily short-selling ratio of the stock on August 23rd was 12.2%, which is not much different from the short-selling ratio in the previous few trading days, reflecting that the current bullish sentiment of the stock is still high. Through the analysis of the stock's trading volume, the stock's trading volume between $7.18 and $7.54 is relatively large, part of which comes from the previous locked-in funds and the selling of profit capital generated after the stock price hit this area. But after 5 trading days of violent fluctuations, the market bulls digested these chips and continued to push the stock price up, which reflects that the short position of the stock is weak and the bulls completely dominate the market price. Let's take a look at the 15-minute chart of the stock. We can see that the stock rebounded strongly after falling to $7.18 on August 22nd, accompanied by a large volume, indicating that the bulls began to counterattack strongly. When the stock price was pushed up to more than $7.50 on August 26th, its trading volume dropped significantly. However, we saw that the stock price had a significant retracement after rising to $7.89 at the end of August 27th. But the volume generated was not large. But this gave a signal that the stock price is about to reverse, because the current stock price has accumulated nearly 30% from the lowest position in August. But I think the stock has not yet reached the time for price reversal. Let's take a look at the capital flow data of the stock. We can see that the stock's capital was net outflow from August 19th to 22nd, but the stock price was still in the consolidation range and did not fall further. The stock had a net capital inflow from August 23rd to August 27th, but compared with the data of the previous 4 trading days, the average daily inflow amount in the last 3 trading days was not high. So these data did not give a signal that the stock price was about to reverse. Let's take a look at the market position distribution data of the stock. We can see that the current position concentration area of the stock is between $7.18 and $7.54. However, this area is no longer a resistance area, but a support area. But the question is, what will happen to the stock price next? Although the positions above $7.50 have moved down a lot in early August, the locked-in capital above this price can still create some resistance to the stock price, so it is possible for the stock price to consolidate briefly between $7.50 and $7.84. But I think the stock price should rise further because the capital entering the market between $7.18 and $7.54 needs to cash out at a higher position for profit. But it is obvious that the profit margin at $7.84 is still small. And combined with its trading volume, this part of the long capital does not seem to have exited the market, so the stock price may rise to $8.10 or above before it can peak. Okay guys, that's my price prediction for SoFi Technologies stock. Thank you for watching. If you like my analysis, please click the subscribe button and give a thumbs up. I will bring you more latest price predictions for popular stocks in the future. See you in the next video.